In today's fast-paced software development landscape, Agile methodologies reign supreme. Agile emphasizes iterative development, close collaboration, and a laser focus on delivering value to users. At the heart of Agile lies the user story, a simple yet powerful tool that captures user needs and drives development efforts. User stories have emerged as the lifeblood of Agile projects, fostering a shared understanding between business stakeholders and development teams. They provide a concise and user-centric way to define system behavior, ensuring that development efforts align with what users truly need. Gone are the days of cumbersome, document-heavy requirement specifications. User stories offer a refreshing alternative, promoting agility and responsiveness to changing user needs. Imagine a team building a mobile banking app. Instead of grappling with lengthy requirement documents, they can use user stories like, "As a customer, I want to view my account balance on the go so that I can manage my finances easily." Such stories are easy to understand, discuss, and prioritize, leading to faster development cycles and improved software quality. The beauty of user stories lies in their simplicity and adaptability. They serve as placeholders for conversations, encouraging continuous dialogue between the business and development teams. This collaborative approach ensures that everyone is on the same page, reducing misunderstandings and costly rework. As development progresses, user stories can be easily refined and expanded upon, accommodating feedback and evolving requirements. This iterative nature allows teams to adapt to change quickly, delivering value incrementally, and ensuring that the final product meets user expectations. Section 2. User Stories versus Traditional Specs, a paradigm shift. Traditional software development often relied on comprehensive requirement specifications. These detailed documents aim to capture every system function and behavior up front. However, this approach often led to rigid plans and slow development cycles. Requirements documents could be difficult to understand, prone to ambiguity, and challenging to maintain as user needs evolved. The waterfall model, often associated with this approach, struggled to accommodate change, resulting in projects that were delivered late, over budget, or failed to meet user expectations. User stories, in contrast, represent a paradigm shift in how we approach software requirements. Instead of focusing on technical details, user stories emphasize user needs and desired outcomes. They are written from the perspective of end users, using their language and reflecting their goals. This user-centric approach ensures that development efforts remain aligned with what users truly value. By focusing on the why behind each feature, user stories provide context and meaning to the development process, fostering a sense of purpose and shared understanding among the team. Furthermore, user stories are designed to be collaborative tools. They are not meant to be static documents, but rather starting points for conversations. Business analysts, developers, and testers work together to elaborate on user stories, clarify requirements, and define acceptance criteria. This collaborative process ensures that everyone has a shared understanding of what needs to be built and how it will be validated. The iterative nature of user stories allows for continuous feedback and refinement, ensuring that the final product meets the evolving needs of users. A well-crafted user story is concise, clear, and focused on delivering value to the user. It follows a simple structure, as a, "I want to, so that." This structure, often referred to as the Connextra format, emphasizes the who, what, and why of a user need. For example, as an online shopper, I want to save my payment information so that I can check out faster on future purchases. This story clearly identifies the user, online shopper, their desired action, save payment information, and the benefit they seek, faster checkout. While the Connextra format provides a solid foundation, effective user stories go beyond this basic structure. They incorporate additional elements that enhance clarity and facilitate development. One crucial element is the acceptance criteria, which define the specific conditions that must be met for the user story to be considered complete. Acceptance criteria provide a shared understanding of what constitutes done and serve as a checklist for testing and validation. For instance, in the previous example, an acceptance criterion could be, the system should allow users to store multiple payment methods securely. Furthermore, user stories benefit from being complemented by visual aids and examples. Diagrams, mock-ups, and other visual representations can communicate complex concepts more effectively than text alone. Examples of user interactions and edge cases provide valuable context and help developers understand the desired system behavior in various scenarios. By incorporating these elements, user stories become powerful communication tools, bridging the gap between business stakeholders and development teams.